authorities voiced their concerns against the proposal to expand Barcelona airport runway into the Ricarda Natural Park. This is Catalan news in 100 seconds. The Foment business group suggested expanding the runway by 840 meters into the lagoon area, but environmental groups and the Farmers Union have voiced their disapproval.
Ja no podem perdre ni una hectàrea més d'espai natural protegit. És a dir, els espais naturals del delta ja han estat, diguem-ne, impactats i reduïts.
Members of Parliament allowed the processing of a law to go ahead which could see bull-related events banned in Catalonia. Politicians from CUP and Comú Podem and some from Esquerra and Junts were in favor. The Catalan President Pere Aragonès defended a ceasefire in Gaza. Meanwhile, far-left CUP asked colleagues not to confuse the oppressor with the oppressed. Tomorrow, the parliament will read a statement on the conflict, defending the right of Israel to self-defense within international law framework. The Grand Recapta food drive has called for plenty of collaboration for next month's event ahead of a 2024 full of uncertainty. The group is looking for over 18,000 volunteers. A 38-meter-long Patagotitan Majorum, the largest dinosaur known, is the new attraction at Barcelona's Cosmocaixa Science Museum. This is part of the Dinosaurs of Patagonia exhibition opening tomorrow until early June.
One of the largest animals that walk on the planet. This is Patagotitan, which is an animal of 70 tons.
For the first time in Catalonia after 70 years, the painting of Catalan surrealist artist Salvador Dalí, Chris of St. John of the Cross, is on display. The artwork arrived from Glasgow and can now be seen at the Dalí Museum in Figueres.